I'm Steve, and today I have the pleasure of being back at Carbone Nissan with a 2021 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. Now, normally you can find me exploring all around New York State, hiking trails in the Adirondack Mountains, kayaking down rivers, or searching for out-of-the-way waterfalls across the state. But today, I do have the pleasure of exploring this 2021 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. Now, before we take a first drive on this Nissan Titan, we're going to take a look at some of the exterior styling cues for this 2021 Pro-4X model. Now, first off, I love what they did with the front end. They blacked out the upper and the lower grille and put in red accents across the emblem. And it goes into these sharp, modern, stylish headlights that wrap around and move into the body lines on the truck. And I do like how the back tailgate and the back bumper match the front end. A lot of manufacturers don't have things in sync, matching each other. We have a step up, easy access right to the bed. And speaking of easier access to the bed, you have assisted tailgate, sprayed on bed liner with Nissan's legendary Utilitrack system that encompasses the whole bed of the truck. Wonderful for storing and carrying, transporting any type of gear you can imagine. Now, one thing I do want to point out that I really like about this Pro-4X model is these black machine polished alloy wheels that are 18-inch. They look really good. Now, this Titan is powered by Nissan's 5.6 liter endurance V8, putting out 400 horsepower and 413 foot-pounds of torque. That's enough to make your drive extremely enjoyable. Now, this does have Nissan's intelligent key system, and if you're not familiar with Nissan's intelligent key system, let me quickly show you. So, vehicle's locked. Key, I'm putting it in my pocket. Sensor on the driver's side door and on the right passenger side door as well. If I touch the sensor once, one door opens. If I touch it twice, all the doors open. So hit it twice, all the doors open. Shut the doors. When I'm done driving, hit the button and vehicle is locked. All the while, key still in my pocket. And to start, foot goes on the brake and push the start. Very easy system that Nissan uses. I do really like the premium materials they used in this interior. Great job, Nissan. Everything just feels amazing to the touch. The seats are firm and comfortable. There's so much comfort and so much convenience in this truck. I like this. It's comfortable for an off-road package. This drives very smooth down the road. Nissan's always had a little bit sportier of a ride, but has never sacrificed ride quality to get that. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, Fender surround sound system. I'm happy driving this. I love everything about the way this drives and feels. Beautiful fall day today for a walk. And one thing that makes my little hike today even more enjoyable is that I have a off-road model 2021 Nissan Titan Pro-4X waiting for me. Now, this Titan Pro-4X four-wheel drive climbs, crawls, and conquers. The legendary Pro-4X model features a truckload of equipment that reads like an off-roader's wish list, including Bilstein shocks, an electronic locking rear differential, and all-terrain tires. Now this model is packed with safety. Included in Nissan's safety shield is the intelligent cruise system. You have your forward emergency braking, your blind spot monitoring, and this model is equipped with your intelligent cruise system. Now this has features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a stellar navigation system, everything extremely easy to use. And one thing I do like is that nice color 360 backup camera. Follows you right along. Amazing. Now up front, we saw that everything's amazing. There's quite a bit of room for me. There's quite a bit of room for who's ever in the passenger seat. But one thing I always like to know on trucks is, what about the back seat? For years, trucks have had very limited room for passengers. But today, we're a pretty active society. We need room. So how does the back stack up? Let's take a look. Nice comfortable seats. I have USB, car charger, wall charger, rear heated seats in this model as well. I'm comfortable. It's nice back here. I think whether your passengers are family, co-workers, friends, kids, pets, they're gonna be happy back here. Now, it's no secret that we are in the age of social media. So one thing that I like to review in all of my videos is, how is this gonna look in social media? Whether I post this in a story or a feed or on YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, what are people gonna think of this? Now you can see from the front end, very easy to get a good shot. With the dark grille, LED lights, especially at nighttime, these are gonna show up really, really well. And we move over to the bold body lines on the side. And especially that red paint. It's gonna look incredible against any backdrop. And the rear, anything you post that's going to show the rear of the truck is going to show up extremely well. I mean, the blacked out cladding, the red letters and the Nissan emblem, that's going to resonate extremely well on social media. And these 18-inch alloy wheels, whether there's snow on the ground or it's fall and there's leaves or you're going off-roading, they're gonna look really good in social media. Any picture, any direction. I love how these wheels look. Now I know wherever you may be parked in this truck, whether it be a hiking trail or a shopping mall or out front of a family member's house even, this truck is gonna look really good in pictures. You're definitely gonna get some likes on social media in this. This off-road Titan has the perfect capability for any activity: hiking, kayaking, snowboarding, hunting, fishing, going to the hardware store, getting outdoor furniture. I love this thing. Now, Nissan made it extremely easy for me today to review this truck. 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the availability to tow up to 9,350 pounds, comfortable, convenient, sporty, rugged, lots of wonderful tech. I've driven almost every make, model, and trim level of truck you can think of, and I really enjoyed this 2021 Nissan Titan. Nissan did a great job with this. This truck is definitely a must drive. I would like to thank all the staff at Carbone Nissan of Yorkville for the use of this 2021 Nissan Titan Pro-4X, in which I thoroughly enjoyed today. Carbone Nissan is known to have a wide range of inventory, a wonderful certified pre-owned selection, and a service department that services all makes and all models. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please hit like, subscribe, and comment. Feel free to hit the donate link in the vehicle's description or my YouTube bio, and look out for more videos all around New York State, historical towns, hiking trails, waterfalls, kayaking adventures, first drive vehicle reviews, and so much more.